I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, create a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and I'm going to walk you through how to add and create blocks, modify the text within your blocks, edit and delete blocks, and create lists on WordPress. First, each page on WordPress will automatically have a default block at the top. To add a new block, the easiest way is to simply hit Enter. This will create new blocks. You may also use this plus that will be at the right side of every block, the plus that will be in between every block, this plus up here, or if you would like to insert a block above or below an already existing block, you can select the block that you would like to work around, hit the Options button, and then you will have an option to insert before or insert after. If you would like to move your blocks, you can either select the block and drag it with these dots to where you would like to place it, or use these arrows to move the block up or down by one block. If you would like to change the type of block, simply select the block and this symbol. Here, you can have a list that will give you bullet points. If you would like to edit the text, this toolbar up here, which will show up whenever you select a block, will allow you to make your text bold, italicized, add a link, as well as these options here. To delete a block, simply select the block you'd like to delete and backspace.